Right, I'm doing another vid today. Ignore how dark it is and wow, lights came on. Alright. I'm just kind of hanging on my shoulder right now. Alright. Fly away! What are you doing, Caitlin? Right, come on. What are you doing, Caitlin? What is she doing? Rocky's just chill, hanging on my shoulder. Come on. I kicked her. Hey girl, what you doing? Wanna get on the phone? And now she's on the phone. I have living proof. She is on the phone. Now she's on my head. Just like Rocky and all them. Alright, well, the reason why I'm doing another video on them is, hey, don't stick your beak in the headphones yet. Oh my gosh! Are you okay? Anyway, so what happened was, my friend Nick at school, he saw my video and he said, you should make another one of them, so I did it. And spring ship. Just play around vid called. And now she's on the phone again. Got a tail everywhere I look. Hey, guys, quit stepping on the lens. And I just lost her. Come out of there, girl. Where did you go? Why did you? Oh, funny story short. Got my monkey. Funny story short, I'm gonna go get some because this was freaking hilarious, believe me. Alright, back in session, sorry. So, it was hilarious today. So, I was coming home, right? Just walking home with my bike. I wasn't walking home, but I was riding home. And I just see this little cockatiel just walking down the sidewalk like. Now I come up on it. I almost had it, but I got its feather. And that's proof. That's one of its wing feathers. It's almost like it reached behind and went, ha, see ya, sucker. That's hilarious. Anyway, we are going to end this video with the tickle of the camera. Anyway. Don't do that. Watch this. No. Alright. I don't know why I'm doing this video. I'm just bored. What are you doing, Rocky? Oh, look who decided to come back. What are you doing? Get out here. I'll get you. Demon, come here. What are you doing, girl? What are you doing? Tickle.